Registering a company. Creating an account. To create a registration account, go to the BCMB SIMS portal at portal.bcmb.ab.ca, which can also be accessed from the BCMB website as shown. Select Don't Have an Account, Sign Up Now at the bottom of the sign-in window. Enter the email address you would like associated with the company portal account. Enter a password. Your password must consist of 8 to 64 characters and include at least 3 of the following: a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a numerical digit, and a symbol. Enter the password again, ensuring it matches the first entry. Enter the first name of the account holder. Enter the last name of the account holder. Select Create at the bottom of the window. You will be directed to the Terms and Conditions and Privacy Statement page. Read through all items, and upon agreement, select the checkbox for I agree to these terms and conditions and privacy agreement. Select Continue at the bottom of the page. Next, you will be directed to the account holder's profile page. Add the account holder's business phone number and ensure all other information is correct. Select Update at the bottom of the page. You will then be directed to the company profile page. Enter the legal name of the company. Select the company beverage type from the drop-down menu. Please note, if your company sells or distributes more than one kind of beverage, you will need a separate account for each, using a separate email address. A new field will appear depending on the company beverage type selected. You will enter one of the following numbers: Alberta or out-of-province corporate number, AGLC registration number, or a licensed producer number. Enter the email address you would like associated with the company account. Enter the company's fiscal year-end date. Enter the phone number you would like associated with the company account. The website address and fax number are optional fields. You cannot edit the current status field. Under Street 1, start typing the company address and select the correct address from the options that appear. If the country is one other than Canada, select Change Country. Select Next at the bottom of the page. You will be directed to the Manufacturer Agreement page. Read through the agreement and select Yes for each line as you agree. Select Submit at the bottom of the page. Your company account has now been submitted for review by the BCMB. An automatic email will be sent to you, which outlines any remaining requirements for approval. If you have questions or require assistance at any point of the process, please do not hesitate to contact the BCMB registrations team by email at registrations@bcmb.ab.ca.